In this topic, we will discuss about equivalence relation and how we consider the relation is equivalence relation. Definition of equivalence relation. A relation R on a set A is an equivalence if and only if R is a reflexive, symmetric, and transitive.
Example of equivalence relation. Set A is equals to 0, 2, 4, and 6. In the relation 1, we have set of 0 and 0, 2 and 2, 4 and 4, 6 and 6. Is this equivalent relation? Yes. Why? This R is reflexive because every element that belongs in set A is in relation 1. As you can see, have an ordered pair 0 and 0, 2 and 2, 4 and 4, 6 and 6, and this is also asymmetric and transitive. So this relation is equivalence relation because all of these properties is satisfied at this relation. Example number 2, we have the same set A is equals to 0, 2, 4, and 6. And the relation number 2 is we have ordered pair 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2 and 2, 2 and 4, 4 and 2, and 4 and 2, 4 and 4. In this relation to an equivalence relation, first we have a question. Relation to is reflexive. We have an ordered pair 0, 0, 2 and 2, 4 and 4, but there is no ordered pair 6 and 6. In this relation, therefore, this relation is not reflexive because 6 and 6 is not a member of relation 2. So this is clear that relation 2 is not an equivalence relation.
This is the example of relation 3. Relation 3 is equals to 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, and 6, 6. Is this relation 3 is equivalence relation? First, we have a question. Is relation 3 is reflexive? Yes. Yes. Because you can see the 2, 4 and 4, 2. But the rest is ordered pair and no need to check it. So we have our second question. Is relation 3 symmetric? Yes. For these ordered pairs, there's a 2, 4 and 4, 2 to them. Its relation 3 is transitive. We can see that there's a 2, 4 and 4, 2. We obviously have 2, 2 and 4, 4. 4, 4, 2, so 4, 4, 2. So obviously this relation is transitive. Therefore, the relation 3 is equivalence relation. This is the example of relation 4. Relation 4 is equals to 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 4, 2, 0, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 0, 4, 4, and 6, 6. So, this relation 4 is equivalent relation. First, we have a question. This relation 4 is reflexive. Obviously, we can say that yes, the relation 4 is reflexive. We can say that 0, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, and 6, 6. Its relation 4 is symmetry. we have a 0, 2. For 0, 2, there must be a 2, 0. In this relation, then 0, 4. 0, 4. We can see that in 0, 4, we can have a 4, 0 and 2, 4. For 2, 4, we can see that they have a 4, 2. In this relation, you can see that there are no 4, 2 in ordered pair. So obviously, the relation 4 is not a symmetry. Not symmetry. So therefore, the relation 4 is not equivalence relation. Here are the examples of relation 5. Relation 5 is equals 7. Its relation 5 is equivalence relation. First, we have a question. Is relation 5 is reflexive? It's no. We know that relation 5 is not reflexive. It's because it's have an empty relation or not an ordered pair. That's why relation 5 is not reflexive. Its relation 5 is symmetric or not. Since we can clearly say that relation 5 is not reflexive, therefore the relation 5 is not equivalence relation. Here the example of relationship. Relationship is equals to A plus A. Its relationship is equivalent relation. First, we have a question. Is relationship 6 is reflective? Yes. Because each element must relate to itself all in. Its relationship 6 is symmetry. Obviously, yes. Yes, because all symmetry present in this relation. Its relationship is transitive. Yes. Because all necessary transitive pairs are present in this relation. So, A plus plus is our largest possible relation, right? It must include every ordered pair, right? Therefore, this relation must be reflective, symmetric, and transitive. Therefore, the relationship is an equivalent relation.
We discussed 6 different relations and we have seen how to identify where their relation is equivalence relation or not.
It is very simple to identify whether they are in relation to equivalence or not. For this, we must have check properties. Relation must be reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. If all these 3 properties are satisfied, then you can see that relation is said to be equivalence relation.